Have you ever wondered how a machine can crush a car like it is made of paper or shape massive steel parts with pinpoint precision? The answer lies in the incredible science of hydraulic presses, and today, we are diving deep into what makes these machines so powerful and fascinating. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where we unpack the science, history, and jaw-dropping facts behind the objects that shape our world. Today, we are exploring hydraulic presses machines that harness the power of liquid to generate unbelievable force. From their ancient origins to their role in modern industry, we will uncover how they work, why they matter, and some mind-blowing details you probably never knew. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will see hydraulic presses in a whole new light. Let's get started. The story of hydraulic presses begins with a simple but revolutionary idea: using liquid to transmit force. This concept dates back to the late 1700s, when British inventor Joseph Bramah patented the first hydraulic press in 1795. Bramah's genius was inspired by Pascal's principle, a discovery by French mathematician Blaise Pascal in the 1600s. Pascal's principle states that pressure applied to a confined liquid is transmitted equally in all directions. In other words, a small push on a liquid can create a massive force elsewhere. Bramah took this idea and built a machine with two cylinders, one small, one large, connected by a fluid-filled pipe. When force was applied to the small cylinder, the liquid transferred that pressure to the large cylinder, amplifying the force dramatically. This was the birth of the hydraulic press, a machine that could multiply human strength thousands of times over. Early presses were used for tasks like pressing books, extracting oil from seeds, or shaping metal, laying the groundwork for industrial innovation. Fast forward to the 19th and 20th centuries, and hydraulic presses became powerhouses of the Industrial Revolution. As engineering advanced, so did the presses. Steel replaced iron components, allowing presses to handle higher pressures. Hydraulic fluids evolved from water to specialized oils, improving efficiency and reducing corrosion. By the mid-20th century, hydraulic presses were essential in industries like automotive manufacturing, aerospace, and construction. Today, modern hydraulic presses are marvels of technology. Computer-controlled systems ensure precision down to the micrometer, while sensors monitor pressure and temperature in real time. Some presses can exert forces exceeding 100,000 tons, enough to lift an entire skyscraper. Innovations like servo-hydraulic systems and energy-efficient designs have made presses faster, greener, and more versatile. Whether it is shaping airplane wings, crushing scrap metal, or even making diamonds in a lab, hydraulic presses are everywhere, quietly shaping the modern world. Hydraulic presses are not just industrial workhorses, they have become cultural icons. If you have ever scrolled through YouTube, you've probably seen videos of hydraulic presses crushing everything from watermelons to titanium balls. Channels like the Hydraulic Press channel have racked up millions of views by showcasing the raw power of these machines in mesmerizing, oddly satisfying ways. Why are we so obsessed? It is the thrill of seeing something indestructible meet an unstoppable force, all backed by the elegant science of hydraulics. Beyond entertainment, hydraulic presses symbolize human ingenuity. They represent our ability to harness natural laws to solve problems, from building bridges to recycling materials. In pop culture, they have even appeared in movies and video games, often as dramatic tools of destruction or creation. Their versatility and power make them a perfect blend of science and spectacle. Let us dive into some wild facts about hydraulic presses that will blow your mind. Did you know that hydraulic presses are used to create synthetic diamonds? By applying extreme pressure and heat, these machines mimic the Earth's natural processes, producing gem-quality diamonds in days instead of millions of years. Here is another one. The largest hydraulic press in the world, located in China, can exert a staggering 80,000 tons of force. That is like stacking 10,000 elephants on a single point. Ever wonder why hydraulic presses are so quiet compared to other heavy machinery? It is because the liquid in the system absorbs vibrations, making them eerily smooth and silent, even when crushing solid steel. Finally, hydraulic presses are not just for industry. Artists use them to create sculptures, pressing materials like clay or metal into stunning shapes. From science to art to viral videos, these machines are full of surprises. Hydraulic presses are more than just machines. They are a testament to the power of science and human creativity. From Joseph Bramah's first design to today's high-tech giants, they have transformed industries, sparked cultural phenomena, and even made us rethink what is possible. The next time you see a car being crushed or a perfectly shaped metal part, you will know the incredible science at work. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of hydraulic presses. If you loved learning about hydraulic presses, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who geeks out over science and engineering. Have a favorite hydraulic press moment or a question about how they work? Drop it in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of Objectified. That is all for today's episode. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next one. Until then, this is Objectified, signing off.